Welcome to Al Hikmah Digital World. Today we talk about ancient Greeks medicine. According to Galen, Greeks medicine are effective for all human beings because these medicines are natural and effective. Let's talk about basic principles of Greeks medicine. Four elements are air, water, fire and earth. Four humors are blood, flame, yellow bile and black bile. Four temperaments are according to Galen: sanguine, phlegmatic, bilious and melancholic. Individual temperament: four faculties: vital faculty, natural faculty, psychic faculty, generative faculty, radical moisture. These are basic principles of Greek medicine. Greek medicine have a rich history of treatment, rich history of medicine, a rich history of cure of diseases. So we should come back to Greek medicine. We should study it, we should practice it, and we should follow it, because today modern medicines and pharmaceutical medicines are not completely harmless for human beings and human body, but Greek medicines are blessings of Allah for human beings. So these are harmless, these are natural and human are also a product of nature. So diseases of humanity should be cured by natural medicine, natural products and natural way of treatment. Thanks a lot.